All right, well, for tonight, it looks like we'll remain dry and relatively clear outside. Not really expecting a lot of clouds whatsoever at all, maybe a few, but as we head into tomorrow, the clouds do thicken for us as that next system does inch closer, but the rain, it looks to hold off. Maybe a few spotty sprinkles, but for the most part, just cloudy, and then really cooling off behind all of this as the rain probably becomes a better chance for us of that happening as we get into Thursday. But your current conditions, 52 degrees, lots of sunshine out there with winds out of the east at 8 miles per hour. Now, lower 50s for us here in Marquette. As you head farther to the west, you will notice some 60s showing up in Ironwood, and as you head closer, farther to the south in Crystal Falls and in Florence. Now, 40s into Lawrence and in Ontonagon at 52 right now in Houghton. Now, eastward, upper 40s in Munising and Manistee. 50s as you make your way into Escanaba, and the 50s here into Ishpeming. Winds out of the east at 8 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, 6 in Escanaba, and at 5 in Munising. And looking at the satellite and radar composite, showers just off to our south and west down into Wisconsin. Not seeing them up here, and we are seeing, yes, a few high clouds. This is what's showing up in more of that milky-ish color, but a lot of sun is bleeding through, and that is helping temperatures to rise for us, and we'll see a lot of those clouds really break down as we head into the evening. This system will continue to work its way eastward as we go over the next day or so, but the rain, it will hold off for us, remaining mostly to our south and to our east, so not really making much of a progression northward. You can see them still in the same spot as we go into tomorrow, with mostly just light rain down in Wisconsin. But eventually we'll see our chances improve, but they won't be too high. Near FUTURECAST model for tonight, mostly clear as we head on into tomorrow. There's that slight chance of maybe a sprinkle or two as this wave of moisture comes northward. Now, it does break down, and we'll see clouds break down afterwards, but more of the clouds for tomorrow night. Thursday, we'll see that slight chance of rain move in with this wave, and after all of this moves off to the south and east, we do cool off, and we'll see our numbers drop down into the 40s for highs by the time we get into Friday. Tonight, we'll drop down to 36 degrees, a chilly and clear evening for us with winds that should be light. Into tomorrow, cloudy and mild with winds now coming out of the south between 10 to 15. Now, look at your high temperatures, all bouncing back into the upper 50s and the lower 60s. 59 in Lawrence, 62 as you head into Ontonagon, a bit cooler right along Lake Michigan at 54 in Escanaba and Manistee. 59 in Munising, and Marquette will top off at 60 degrees. But afterwards, we'll see our numbers drop. Thursday, more clouds, highs in the middle 50s there for us with that chance of light rain. Friday, a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the middle 40s, and as we head into Saturday, we'll top off at 46 with maybe another slight chance of rain on its way in. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, still remaining on the cool side. Sunday probably looking like the coolest day out of the next 7-day period for us with highs only in the lower 40s. More of that sun on the way for us Monday and Tuesday, but still seeing those numbers below average. But either way, it does look like we're not going to be expecting any of the snow, so that's always something good, especially during this time of the year. But you're going to have to bring out the jackets yet again as we go into the end of the week and beginning of next week.